this fucking show on the road, shall we? Senorita, kamote moves. Kamote moves. Right? Someone's backing up. Gotta squeeze your way in the front. What in the world is this on a Sunday, for crying out loud? It's a Sunday. Sunday. Let's go here. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, it's been a minute since you guys saw me on this bike. Well, maybe you saw it last week with the Stog Rider, right? And now, oh my god, she's back. Well, not in her full old self, if you know what I mean. She's got a new battery, so that's something new about this bike. But power wise, oh man, this guy or this girl needs some loving. Sure. What up, dude? I know I requested for some oil for this bike, but I haven't had the time to get it oil changed. And plus, I don't know where to bring it, or I don't know where to take it to get it oil changed. I believe it needs some tuning up, because this old, this old fella, like I said, needs some TLC. Makes sound that whoa, dude, what's wrong with the wheels, dude? It's dancing. Yeah, nag-aapato yung gulong mo. Just kidding. Well, it was wobbling, but the bike sounds great though, man. That Orion pipe, whew, I've had that for how many years now, and oh crap, and it sounded like they installed it yesterday or something, or earlier today, because that sound is so fucking ridiculous, man. I miss the good old days, man. I mean, just doing the motovlog, not a care in the world, just doing your thing, you know. Arriba, the senoritas. Oh, come on, man. Woo! I mean, I still enjoy motovlogging up until now, but you know, the standards of it just, I don't know. Well, I guess if I'm still doing it, I'm still loving it. You know what I mean? Yo. Have a side mirror. I do. It's right here. It's very functional too. Oh my god, it's not 4 fingers. You're right, because it's 5 fingers. 5 fingers. For the view. What up, dude? Headed to Imprint. Get some clothing. You know, this is one of the good things about having a Kawasaki, man. How old is this bike? I think it's a 2015 model. And it's 2024. What is the auto? Auto for this bike is 24,507. I don't know if that's too low yet, but I mean, for me, that's pretty low. This bike wasn't abused. I'm not trying to sell this bike, by the way. I did crash on this bike at CIS. Y'all know that vlog. It's on YouTube. That was a pretty memorable day. First time crashing on my OG bike. Well, in general, or all in all, my first time crashing. To learn something to... Okay, dude. The road is all yours. Ah, damn, traffic. But one thing that I need to change from this bike are the wheels. I need to change them ASAP, dude. I mean, they've been there for quite some time now, and I believe they're expired. Lola. And I guess I'll be using this bike more. Will I be let Stoke use it more? Not quite sure, because this bike is quite powerful, to be honest, and she's not used to it yet, but I know she'll get used to it. So I guess I'm gonna let her use it. I don't, maybe not all the time, but just to give her the feeling of this. I know I let her ride this bike when we got this bike back from Orion. It's still a little shaky when she rides it. She needs more saddle time with this bike. JMAC, now that you have the Z1000 back, what are your plans on the bike? Are you gonna put some accessories on it, like auxiliary light, or you know, those lights when you ride at night, everything will all become brighter? Fuck no. I won't put that shit anywhere near this bike, nor any kind of accessories that you can imagine. I want to keep this bike bold, naked, and as is. It looks more badass when you have those unnecessary accessories on it. Well, I have the slider, which really saved my ass. Well, I got the slider right there, which saved me back when I crashed at California Speedway, whatever. That's a lot of help. But other than that, stay off my bike. Welcome to Imprint Customs. Red hot, red hot. Thank you. Order ako ng isa ice americano. Yun. The feeling that you get once you start riding your very first bike again is just undescribable. If that's the right word, undescribable. The sound of this bike is just making you want to ride all the time. This is all because of Orion. One of the questions that I get a lot about this bike, since Orion changed the whole exhaust system on this one, including the headers, I get the question of whether I got it, what do you call this? Dynoed or something? Or remap or something like that. The answer is yes. So, you know, you can correct all the air and fuel intake, whatever, oxygen, O2 or something, intake or whatever you want to call it. Yes, it was done about, I don't know, pre-pandemic still. The engine will correct itself because of the full exhaust modifications that has been done with this bike by Orion. Yeah, but the only downside about that was or is it consumes a lot of gas with this bike, since, you know, changing it from a mid pipe to a full exhaust. That's what I noticed about this bike. If there's any questions whether malakas ba sa gas yan, well, hindi naman, not totally like super malakas sa gas, but you know, there's a dramatically increase in gas consumptions compared to back when it was mid pipe. Oh no! You know, you gotta do what everyone does. Let's right shoulder. See, this is why I don't like going to the right shoulder. Good thing he used this turn signal, but it was my fault. I don't like riding here on the right side of the road, unless I had to. Case in point of this magnificent traffic. Oh yeah, it smells like gas. So addictive. Oh, I just remember this. The only complaint that I got from the Stog rider from riding this motorcycle was that the clutch, matigas na yung clutch. She was like, ang tigas naman ang clutch, ang hirap in 2 fingers, because she got used to the fact that she uses 2 fingers. Well, that's how you technically is the proper way to hold the left side of the handlebar, like just 2 fingering the clutch. So all 3 fingers are wrapped around the, yeah, that was her main complaint. And I was like, for you sissies that just learned how to ride motorcycle now, that's what's supposed to feel like for the old school bikes. You know, the clutches, like, it's hard rock, dude. Like my, if you do, you know, experience this kind of bike, this is a 2015 Kawasaki Z1000, you will experience it. I already changed the clutch cable for this bike, so it is a normal thing that it is hard to squeeze. Thanks, bro. Season for giving and a season for traffic. Yeah, sometimes I do get embarrassed on how loud this bike is, but man, during my younger years, having this kind of pipe, whoo, only bomba, dude. Bomba here, bomba there. Places you don't need to be bombaing, you're bombaing. Whoo. But now, a bit embarrassed, but proud. Kasi Orion, the pipe is. Man, having this kind of clutch on a traffic situation like this, it's not for the faint of heart. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, I hate this, I hate this. What the Siyempre, ganito ang gagawin natin. It's a... Oh! Aray ko. So kanina, doon ako lapaw, umaatras tong kotse. Ang bilis ni sniper, ayun o, wasak. Ay hindi, papasok pala siya. Kaya yun ang number one reason ko kung bakit ayoko nagmumotor sa kanan. Diba? Wala lang, share ko lang. Ay mga katodo, I don't wanna keep vlogging on the stupid traffic all day long. And it's no fun. Stinking traffic, man. Woo! I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, kuya? For the views. Babush!